Hello viewers, welcome to RemedialOne YouTube channel, your #1 channel when it comes to Wassce past questions. Very soon be coming your way with a lot of packages, answering questions in integrated science and English language. All that you need to do to support this big project is to click on subscription button, as you can see on the screen. You like it, you like the video, and you share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let's go to today's question. Today we want to solve a question on application of trigonometry. So let's read the question together. 2 points x and y 7 meters apart are on the same horizontal ground. The angles of elevation of a point P from x and y are 50 degrees and 70 degrees respectively. Q is a point on xy produced such that angle YQP equal to 90 degrees. 1. Illustrate the information in a diagram. 2. Calculate, correct to 2 decimal places, XP and YQ. Let's look at the solution. So from the question, we observe that the distance between x and y is 7 meters. And the angle of elevation, when you talk of angle of elevation, it means that someone is on the ground looking at something on top. So that's 50 degrees and then 70 degrees respectively. And bear in mind, how would you know that the 70 will come to x and then the 50 will come to y? It simply means the steeper the line, the higher the angle. So that's why the 70 degrees is at y and then the 50 degrees is at x. Let the distance YQ be equal to a. In that case, if you want to find xq to be a plus 7, then let the distance pq be represented by h. So if you want to consider, we will consider triangle PQY first. The acute angle here is 70 degrees and is facing this side, which is the opposite, and where the 90 degrees and the acute angle are resting is the adjacent, which is the a. So we can write from triangle PYQ, we can write tan 70, which is the opposite. Opposite is h on a, which implies that your h becomes a times tan 70 degrees. Let's label it as our first equation. Also, let's look at triangle PXQ, that's the bigger triangle. Let's look at the solution. So the acute angle now becomes the 50 degrees. So as I said, xq, if yq is a, then xq becomes 7 plus a, or a plus 7. So we can write tan 50 degrees is equal to the opposite over the adjacent, which is a plus 7. When we cross multiply, you can say h is equal to a plus 7 times tan 50 degrees. Let's label it as equation 2. H is equal to a tan 70 degrees, and the same h is equal to a plus 7 times tan 50 degrees. So we can equate the two. This implies that a tan 70 degrees is equal to a plus 7 times tan 50 degrees. So which implies that, so from your calculator you can compute tan 70, and it is 2.7475 a, which is equal to a plus 7 tan 50 is also 1.1918. That is from your calculator. So we can expand the right hand side. 2.7475a equal to, so when we expand this times a, we have 1.1918a plus 7 times 1.1918 gives 8.3426. There is a term in a on the left hand side and another term in a in the right hand side. We put them together, the like terms. 2.7475A minus 1.1918A equal to 8.3426. When you subtract, you're going to get 1.5557A equal to 8.3426. So we want to find A. Divide both sides by 1.5557. 1.5557. So this will cancel that. A is equal to, when you divide, you're going to get 5.3626 meters. And you were asked to find correct to two decimal places. We said that A is equal to YQ. So therefore alpha, alpha, the length YQ becomes two decimal places after that decimal point. 1, 2. The next number is 2, which is less than 5. So we ignore the rest. So our answer will be 5.36 meters. Let's look at the second part. So let's consider triangle XPQ. So from triangle XPQ, that is the bigger one, the bigger triangle. The acute angle is 50. And then we want to find the length XP. The length XP, taking the acute angle into consideration, is the hypotenuse. And then we know this side, XQ. So cos adjacent and hypotenuse, you use the trig ratio cos. Cos 50 is equal to the adjacent, which is XQ on XP. But the XQ is equal to 7 plus A, which is, let me remind you, don't use the approximated value. So 7 plus, we have A to be 5.3626. So therefore, cos 50 from calculator gives 0.6428 equal to X scale is 7 plus 5 12.3626. So 12.3626 over the length XP. So to find XP, cross multiply XP 0.6428 is equal to 12.3626. So we divide both sides by 0.6428. 0.64. This will cancel that. So you have your XP being equal to, when you divide, you are going to get 19.2324. We were asked to correct our answer to two decimal places. So you look at the decimal, where the decimal point is. After the decimal point, we have 2, 1, 2. The third one is less than 5, so we ignore the rest. We're going to have 19.23 meters. So viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, to support this project, just click on subscription button, like the video and share with your friends.